Hello, so this is a video demonstration for the user interface and the main functionalities of my web app. My web app is a dual portal nutrition and fitness management system. The system supports two user journeys, a coach portal for managing clients, plans and reviews, and a client portal for onboarding views, plans and logging progress and receiving feedback. In this demonstration, I will focus in the interface and how the application is used. So this is the first page of my web application, and right now I'm gonna create an account for both a client and a coach and walk you through the journey and the functionalities of both. So as you can see here, I'll create a client account here and the coach account here. So after accounts for a client have been created and I try to sign in, I'm asked to enter all my details. Over here, I'm asked to enter my activity level. Over here, my heart, my height, my current weight, gender, all of these details that later on the coach will receive and choose whether to approve me or not. So basically, I'm expected to have multiple coaches, and each coach will receive my information and they either choose to reject or accept. So after creating an account as a coach, over here these are the clients that I have created previously. When I click on one, I can see all their details. I'm gonna choose to reject previous ones. As you can see, these are the details that I've entered, and I'm gonna accept the current client that I entered. Accept. Over here you can see all the clients that I have uh, in this page. Now let's move on to the plans. Before we start the plans, right now if I refresh the page on the client side, as you can see the client is accepted, but currently the client has no plans, no activity, no nothing. So as a coach, right now I'm gonna create a plan for him, an activity and all of that, and show you all the functionalities and how to do that. So over here I can choose which client I wanna create a plan for. Let's accept two clients. And however, I'm gonna create a plan only for the current client I'm at right now. I choose the date. This is set as UK time, and I'm gonna create starting from 22nd of April, which is the date of today. I can also click today, it will automatically go to 22, also UK time. And let's say I'm gonna add 1 day and 2 days. I can also add 7, but for the demonstration I'll just add details for 2 days. After entering all the details for food, I can also add a custom meal. It doesn't have to be 4 meals. I can also remove a meal, so let's say just 3 meals: breakfast, lunch and dinner. And I can order an extra meal uh, for example, let's say a protein shake. And after that I click save this date, and this is a full detailed nutrition plan and a workout plan over here. After I create the type of workout, reps and the time, I can also add the sets. Let's say it's 4 sets of 8. Let's just say yeah. um, all right, top set. After that I can save this, and as you can see on the client side, so on the client side currently it's empty because today UK time is the 22nd. However, I'll give the whatever plan I suggest for this specific day. It's the only one that's gonna show up on the client side. because I also try to make my app extremely simple for clients. So I refresh it. As you can see here, these are all the details for the client. After that, the client can choose. Let's say he managed to get his morning food, he managed to get his lunch, his dinner, didn't take his protein shake, did his push-ups, didn't do his push-ups. And save progress. When I go to activity, I can see here I choose my client. Client 5 is currently empty. I haven't entered anything in client 5. However, test client 11. This is his current progress. I can view it in activity. And when I go to review, so activity is basically just a summary. And I can also choose the dates when I have like 10, 20 different clients. This is really useful, especially because I can choose the dates and all of that to summarize how I view my clients. And over here is where I reject or approve them. So let's say I'm gonna go to list client 11, which is this one, or I can do all assigned clients, and I can open this page over here. This is a summary of all the progress my client has done recently, and I can either approve or let's say I reject. As you can see here, I've rejected the previous progress, and I created another client, test 5. Previously we were working with test 11. I'm not gonna go through the whole process of creating the client again, the details, for the time of the video demonstration. And so this is my other client here. Let's approve my other client right now. And over here, my other client sees that his progress is approved. So I've shown you an example of rejecting and approved. Now I'm gonna go through the AI. Okay. So what's unique about my AI is that it has access to all the progress and all the data and everything. Let me use the AI with client 11 because there is more data there. So as we know, client 11 already has some rejected uh, progress, and we'll try to ask the AI about that. I use Gemini API. It's a free version, so everything is saved and your coach noted. Yeah. Over here, I can view my goals. These are the ones I've entered when I first created the account. I can update them, change them. And over here, this is my profile. I'm gonna show you how I can also create a profile picture. So it's just here's my fitness profile. I can also edit it from here. Can change my password as well. Change it to 678. So, 78. 7. Yeah, password changed. I'll I'll put it back. Yeah. Alright, I guess I've showed all the functionalities here. I'll also show you one more thing. This is the coach portal. Just want to show how the review progress works when there are multiple clients. As you can see over here, I added in one more client with his progress and everything. Let's approve this one. Approve success. And when there are multiple clients, this creates a summary over here, a client summary of all of them. And over here, my clients. Yeah. Also in review, no, sorry, in activity. In activity, you can add the date to summarize the clients to see their activities on a specific day. So one of the clients, which is test 11, as you can remember in the beginning of the video, he I X up the one that I rejected. It was on the 22nd of April, as you can see here, and I can filter it because sometimes I might have like a lot of clients. This can take up to 100 and more for each coach. So if I choose this date, I only see this client. This filtration system also function also works really good. All dates today. Yeah. Can choose a single client and see all of his activity. Alright, so to conclude, my system pretty much provides a complete dual portal workflow. The coach portal supports client approval, plan management, adherence review, and activity monitoring. And the client portal supports onboarding, plan viewing, daily checkoffs, progress submissions, history tracking, profile management, and AI assistant guidance. Together, these interfaces support a structured and scalable nutrition and fitness coaching process. Hopefully, I can scale it across hundreds and thousands of clients with tens of coaches. Thank you so much for watching my video podcast. Yeah, that's all.